Okay, page 10. Before we can start number 15, I have to explain to you about a dotted half note. When you put a dot after a note, it increases the value by half of it. Half note gets 2 counts. Half of 2 is 1. When you put the dot after the dotted half note, it gets 3 counts. Likewise, if you have a whole note, 4 counts. If you put a dot after the whole note, that increases it by half, which is 2, giving you a total of 6 counts. A lot of people just assume that you put a dot on a note, it increases it by 1. It doesn't. It increases it by half. So that will become important later on in the book when you get a dotted quarter note. So dotted half note gets 3 counts. Number 15, count the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. Now, while you are playing, you need to keep counting to 4 in your head so you know where you are. Let's shift this just a tiny bit. There, now you can see the other hand well. Play number 15. Starts with an A. 2, ready, go. Now, back it up, play it over again a bunch of times till you get it down.